In today's video, we will deal about word processors and its features. A word processor is software that allows user to create, edit and print documents. It enables you to write text, store it electronically, display it on a screen, modify it by entering commands and characters from the keyboard and print it. Word processors contain software to automatically correct common errors and identify misspellings, improving overall speed and reducing errors. They also makes it easier to create and organize new files as well as retrieve and manipulate existing ones. It processes words. It also processes paragraphs, pages and entire papers. A word processing package is a kind of software that provides page layout and enable to type text and create documents, and also helps in editing, formatting, modifying, printing and storing the contents of the document. Some example of word processing programs are Microsoft Word, WordPerfect, Apple Works and OpenOffice.org. Features of a word processor. Editing. In word processor, editing of a document can be easily done. Interface. A word processor provides layout, that is interface, which makes it convenient to type document without using pages or stationery. Navigation between pages. A user can easily switch from one page to any other page of a document instantly in a word processor to view or to edit it. Formatting. A word processor provides various options for formatting the text. For example, the user can change the look of the document by changing its font, color, size, style, appearance, etc. Graphics. In a word processor, graphical pictures can be added in the document. There are various tools to draw shapes and designs in word processors. Spelling and grammar. Word processor can detect the spelling and grammatical mistakes in a document and provide suggestions to rectify them. OLE. In a word processor, there is an object linking and embedding feature help to link or embed various objects in a document from other applications. These objects can be charts, equations, clip art, pictures, etc. Mail merge. In word processor, multiple copies of the same document can be generated, which can be sent to different recipients or destinations or addresses using mail merge feature. Autocorrect. It is a feature of a word processor that helps in automatic correction of misspelled, commonly typed words. Find and replace. Word processor helps to search a word or phrase in the document and also helps to replace a particular word or phrase in the entire or a part of the document.